How to reset your Facebook video recommendations. Hello, everybody, and welcome back. If you'd like to customize your feed and reset your Facebook video recommendations, in today's video, we'll be providing you with a step by step tutorial on that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by opening up Facebook, and the one thing we can do is we can clear out our video watch history via our settings. For that, look out for the menu option in the top left, tap on it, and then go to our settings. And within our settings, we can just go over to the activity log section, scroll down, find the option for activity log, and tap on it. And there we can just go over and find the videos that we have watched. So find your Facebook activity, drop it down, and look out for the videos that we have watched here. That option available. If that option is available, you can tap on that option and then basically clear out your history here. So if you find that option, you can tap on delete option, tap on three dot for that, and look out for the move to bin option. And you can clear out the history of the videos that you watched on Facebook. That will clear out your activity log for your Facebook and also reset your Facebook's video recommendations. This is one of the method available. If not this, we can go to the reel section, and within the reel section, what we can do is we can look out for the three dot on the reel that you do not like and select the option called not interested or something like that. You can just go over and tap on that option not interested, and it will show us less those kind of video and immediately produce a similar kind of content. You can follow up this process. And also you can use the snooze feature to temporarily hide posts from the specific user or pages. You can tap on the three dot and look out for the snooze option. Snooze this particular page for 30 days, something like that, or unfollow that particular page. And that should also reset the video recommendations on your device. Facebook, you can just go and follow up this method. By removing the past data and actively informing the algorithm, the video feed will start to reflect your current interest and show the recommended, video rather than the one that was being shown. So you can just go and follow up this process and reset your video algorithm on your Facebook. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.